getting the most from your article submitter software. If you are serious about Ezine article writing, you do need an article submitter. It is, in fact, an articles writer's most important tool. The latest generation are faster, have more automatic features, and continually update their databases. Article writing has continued to increase in popularity because the once dreaded time-consuming submittal chore has been made so easy. Some of the latest generation article submitters not only submit the articles, but actually provide software to help you write the article. This almost sounds too good to be true, but current reviews praise article creator software. If you are reading this article, you have made a choice on how to drive traffic to your website. There are 3 ways to get targeted traffic: buy it, borrow it, or create it. Without a doubt, Ezine article writing does drive targeted traffic to your site. Just as true is the fact that Ezine article writing takes more work than the other options. Enter the article submitter software program. Without this valuable tool, it would be physically impossible to submit the number of required articles to the hundreds of article submit sites for the needed exposure. You enter your article details into the software once, and then select the directories you would like to submit to. The software will automatically fill in all of the submission criteria, saving you an incredible amount of time. Another time saver is the fact that most article submitters come with a database of article submit sites that is continually updated for you. If you have ever tried to compile a list on your own, you know that the database alone is worth much more than the cost of the submitter program. A word of caution here. Do not get involved in robot spam-type submitter programs or companies that do this. This type of sloppy submittal is frowned upon, a nuisance to the submit sites, and can get you banned from the best article sites and even the search engines. The article submit site provides a tremendous exposure for your article, and free. You owe it to them to be professional, log in properly, submit your article to the correct category, and log out. A proper article submitter will do just that, saving you the tedious manual cut and paste time, and saving the site server time. Let us look more closely at quality articles quickly submitted to hundreds of submit sites is the key to being a successful Ezine article writer. Your Ezine article has a short lifespan. Once published, it has 24 hours on the most recent articles page of a particular article submit directory. The directory's main page is the only page scanned by the search engines that increases your SEO. Sadly, the next day your article has been replaced by many newer articles on the same subject. After its moment of fame has passed, it will still get read by the site's readers, and if good, picked up by other directories and sources needing articles. Recently, I wrote a travel article that was picked up by several major international tour companies and enjoyed a month of exposure as their featured article of the month. Some sites accept and publish your article within hours, others days, weeks, or even months. Actually, this is good, as during the time you are submitting to several hundred sites, your article is the most recent on some site. However, at some point your article will become stale, and your website stats will show a drop-off in visitors. Have your next new article submitted well before this happens. An article submitter is the most important tool an article writer can have. Why then do article submitter programs draw the penny-wise pound-foolish crowd like a magnet? Some amusing examples for you. One submitter gives a 3-day free trial. Stories abound about the users who download the program and stay up day and night drinking coffee and making submittals for the 3 free days. Another good submitter program gives a free trial version with a database of 85 sites. The full version with hundreds of sites is reasonably priced, but most users just stick with the free version. I am not a gifted psychic, but I can guarantee you that none of these users are making any money from writing and publishing Ezine articles. How do I know that? Quite simple. Quality articles quickly submitted to hundreds of submit sites is the key to being a successful Ezine article writer. Sure, not buying the article submitter program is a loss for the company, but a far worse loss for the writer by limiting their article exposure, the very thing that has the potential to make them money. As you can see, the two things go hand in hand. many articles submitted to hundreds of submit sites. Do not cut corners with your article submitter program, it is the key to your success. And be sure to look into the new article creator programs that speed up your article writing. To your success.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.